Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 12th areas related to circles exercise 12.3 question number 8. The given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter. So we have this distance as 60 meter. Distance between the two inner parallel lines is 60 meter and they are 106 meter long. That means these parallel lines are 106 meter long. That is from here till here, 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, now this track is 10 meter wide, so we can say that this from everywhere it is 10 meter. This is 10 meter, this is 10 meter. So from everywhere it is 10 meter wide. So first of all, we have to find the distance around the track along its inner edge. This is the inner edge, the inner one. So you have to find the total length of track or the total length of this inner edge. Now if you will see it, this is the two semicircles. So and 106, you can say that this is 106. So total length along the inner edge will be 106 plus 106 plus the circumference of this small semicircle or inner semicircle from here and inner semicircle from here. So we have circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r. Therefore, circumference of semicircle it will be pi r, right? And here what is r? We have diameter of inner circle. Diameter of inner circle is 60 meter. Therefore, radius of inner circle that is small r is 30 meters, 60 by 2, diameter by 2. Similarly, diameter of outer circle. This is 60 plus 10 plus 10. 60 plus 10 plus 10. This is the diameter of outer circle, that is 80 meter. Therefore, radius of outer circle, that is capital R, will be equal to 40 meters. So let us start our first part. Distance around the track along its inner edge. So this distance is given by circumference of two inner semicircles plus, so circumference of two inner semicircles plus 106 plus 106. So we have plus 106 plus 106. Now circumference of semicircle is pi r. So there are two semicircles. So 2 into pi r. Circumference of semicircle is pi r. There are two inner semicircles, this and this. So 2 multiplied by pi r plus 106 plus 106, it will be 212. Now we have 2 into 22 by 7 r, that is small r. This is 30 plus 212. So it will be equal to, we have 1320 by 7. This is 660 multiplied by 2. So plus 112. And when we will solve it by taking LCM, it will be equal to 7 is the LCM, 1320 plus 1484, 2804 by 7 meters. So this will be the answer for the first part. Now in the second part, we have to find the area of the track. Area of track means this area, this whole area of this track we have to find. Now you can see that this track is, for this track we have two rectangles first. The rectangles are, this rectangle length is 106 and width is 10. Similarly, we have one rectangle here, and then we have semicircular ring here and here. Both sides we have semicircular rings. Now see, we will write area of the track is given by area of two rectangular paths plus area of two semicircular rings. Now, what are semicircular rings? This is known as ring. If you have this is a ring, and its area is given by area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, that is pi r square minus pi r square or pi r square minus I r square. And if we have semicircle like this, so its area will be half pi r square minus r square. So we have, this is the area of one semicircular ring. We have two semicircular rings here. So area of two rectangular paths will be 106 into 10, and there are two paths like this, so multiplied by 2, plus area of two semicircles, so 2 multiplied by half pi r square minus r square. So this will be equal to 1060 into 2. Here 2 goes with 2. So we have pi is 22 by 7. This is 40 square minus 30 square. So here we have 0, 2, 1, 2 plus 22 by 7 into 1600 minus 900. So 2120 plus 22 by 7 into 700. So 2120 plus 2200. So your answer will be 4320 meter square.